So hey guys, hello there. Welcome to my channel Study with SMT. This is your friend Shagun and I am here with one of the most interesting video. We all know that we start our education, or you can say our new year kind of starts with the new sessions of our school for us the students. So this year I have moved to class 11th and luckily I haven't give any exams of class 10th. As you all know that CBSE had released the news that this year there won't be an exam for class 10th. So yes, and it's will say I am like promoted to class 11th, so I'm starting my things for class 11th. And let me clear this that I'm taking humanities in my class 11th. I'm not going with the commerce and those science ones. So if people who are watching me are from science or commerce, they can watch my videos for their regular for following the routines, but my study topics would be really different from you people. So yeah, and this is very first video of mine, so I'm so happy. And now today I'm going to show you that how to start our new sessions, what are the things that we have to kick start for our new session. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. So the very first thing guys that I'm going to do is clean up all my previous book and notes. So I'm going to keep them into the storage box, or you can say into the cartons, so that I could use them further, because I don't like to give my books, especially I don't want to give my class 10th books and notes to other one. I don't know why, but I have found a connection with them, so that's the reason I'm going to keep them and store them up. And now the next thing that I have to do is I have to get my 11th book, my new stationaries and all the things adjusted at the place where I used to keep my 10th book. So we are going to do that, and let me show you that how we have to do all those things. Okay, so guys, here's my cupboard where I used to keep all my books and other things. So you can see the current situation. So you can see the current situation. I'm going to get all the books out and get them placed in this curtain. And basically I have got few of the books that were already on the top, so I'm using them. I'm going to get them into this carton. So let's see what we can insert in it, and then we will use another one. So let's go and see how we are going to do this thing. So guys, here I am all with all my books around me. Now it's time for the second layer. It's all filled with my personal things, so I'm going to get it clean and then show you all the things. So here we go. So guys, here I am with all my things all over this place, and they are the compartment. And now it's time to clean this. I'm going to use this paintbrush, and not also I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to place all my books in this complete curtain. So after completing this process, I'm going to show you that how the cleaning thing look like. So here we go. So guys, here we are done with the very first curtain, and it's almost full. The places are left over here only, and now everything is placed perfectly. Now it's time for the second curtain. So here we go. Okay, so right now guys, I'm dividing the things that I want and that I don't want and that are to be preserved. So yes, these are the things that I'm doing, and I'm going to keep all my notes, like these printed notes, to be with me, because these are the notes that help me a lot to study while during my exam sessions, whether we have given them or not, but these were the things that helped me a lot. So इसे मैं अपने पास ही रखूँगी, and I'm going to save them so that if anyone else need them this year, then I could give them up. So yeah, and now let me show you the final look, that how it will look after we just like divide all the things, and after we have this complete area to be blank. So here we go. So guys, are you ready to see finally how we have cleaned everything? So here we are. As I said you, I'm left with only these white cupboards and these few things like calculator that I have kept out now. And now these are the things that we are having up here. And yeah, so these were my previous year goals that I have pasted here, and now it's time for the new ones. So basically guys, I'm not going to keep anything inside it, as we all know that still our stationery work is to be done. And previous year I have bought a lot of stationery related to class 10th, but we all know that they didn't run at all. So that's the reason why I'm left with all my previous year stationery, and this year I'm going to use them all up with my class 11th. And I'm ready to go in the class 11th. And with all this cleaning, I just did it because you know what, for me it's when I pass any class, it's really important for me to move out all the stuffs related to that class and get prepared for the next one. Now for the next few days I'm going to rest, and then as we get new notifications, new things, that how we have to start our class, which will be given by our school only. And I would definitely tell these things to you people, that when our schools are going to start, whether it's offline or online, I will definitely inform you that. And then I will show you my regular routine also for studies. And these were all the starting up things for the complete class 11 preparation. And so guys, as you all people saw that I have cleaned all my room, and now it's time to show you that what are the things that we have to do more to get ready for the class 11. So the second thing that I have to do is change the complete setup of my laptop. So basically the laptop is something that we needed for the whole year previously, and I think this year also we need them. So to do that, I'm going to change the themes, the colors, the homepage and other things of my laptop. So let me show you that what are the things that I'm going to do with my laptop. So let me bring in my laptop. So yes guys, basically this is my laptop that I am using currently. And guys, if you're liking this complete look, you can easily check it out. I will link the video below. You can go there and create this complete thing on your laptop. So yeah, let me show you that what are the things we have to do inside it. Okay, so guys, this is my laptop and I'm having this kind of wallpaper with my laptop. I'm not going to change the thing that I love Lord Krishna, so I'm always having his wallpaper only on my desktop. So yeah, and next thing here we have, I like to keep the things simple. I don't like the people who used to keep their computer so messy, these front page so messy, like they have all the folders onto the home page. So I used to do one thing, that is I have to put all these main thing here, and all the other thing that I have, I create a folder, put it all into that, and I'm done. So yeah, this is all about it. Now moving ahead, when it comes about Chrome or using my Chrome, or showing you that what I have there and how I change the things. So let me bring in that. I'm going to show you that what I have here with my Chrome, and I have clicked it up. So yeah, now it would get open. Let me show you that there already I have changed the thing, but I want to tell you how you can change them and how you can get to that place. So yes, and let me open this. So this is my front page. This is what we call homey. Okay, you can easily get it from like this. Okay, want to have this kind of same home page for your Chrome, then you have to do only one thing, that is you have to go to Chrome extension. You can easily see this. I'm clicking on this Chrome extension, then a page would appear, then click here extension Chrome Web Store. Okay, so guys, when you reach there, you will get number of things. You can, from here you can change your theme also. I have used this blue one, I'm not remembering the name, but I will tell you. And also I'm having this kind of app. This is called Forest Stay Focused Be Present. You can see this. You can see Forest Stay Focused and these things. So when I will click it, you know what will come to me. This is the thing, and using this I can easily control my activities. I can't go to the things when I don't want to use YouTube and all these things. So I have to change the settings of these things. I'm still not doing those things, but I want to tell about this kind of feature that we have. So you can go with these things, you can do number of things, and whenever you are going to use the app that you have selected not to use, then it would kill a tree. That is the main focus of the app. So yeah, and you can even go for the themes and number of more things that we have in this. So you can choose any of the themes. So these are the things. I hope that you all would have liked it, that how you can change the complete setup. Now let me close in the laptop. Here we are done with the laptop, and now it's time to see what we can do with other things. I have already organized all the things like my setup of these plays, and let me clear in that I have also having a art YouTube channel. So that is the reason why I have kept all these things here. So yeah, and you will also need to clean all your stationery things and other that I am having here. So yeah, you have to do all these things to get organized with your new class, new sessions. You must have the clear thing that what you are going to do in class 11. So yeah, this was all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you all would have enjoyed it. And if you want to follow with like all the routines that I do, you have to click on that subscribe button so that you get subscribed to my family, and also click on that notification so that you get notified whenever my new video is uploaded. So I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.